Today, we would like to introduce the Homogenizers online liposome extruder. This extruder is available in various models, including 25 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 1000 milliliters, and 8000 milliliters. The online liposome extruder is highly practical and can be combined with different accessories to achieve the desired particle size for experiments. Let's take the 200 milliliters online extruder as an example and understand its components and assembly process. The components of the online extruder include gland, small O-ring, large O-ring, filter support base, fastener, track-etched membrane, drain disc, micron pores disc. To start the assembly, place the large O-ring into the filter support base, then mount the micron pores disc onto the filter support base. Next, position the drain disc on top of the micron pores disc. Carefully lay the track-etched membrane on the drain disc, ensuring it is smooth without any folds or air bubbles. Wetting the membrane before placement can result in better results. Insert the small O-ring into the gland and cover the track-etched membrane with the gland. Finally, install 6 fasteners onto the filter support base and tighten them to complete the assembly of the online extruder. The online extruder allows users to choose different pore sizes of the extrusion membrane based on their needs. By passing materials through the membrane with the desired pore size, it helps improve the uniformity and refinement of the samples, providing users with an enhanced user experience.